Hello everyone, and welcome to the next car flip. Today with me I have a 2011 Mercedes-Benz C300 4MATIC. And as always, the goal is to fix it, sell it for a profit. So let's get into the video. The first thing I'm going to do is take the snow off the car. This car came with a dead battery from the auction, so hooked it up to the truck. Now let's start it up. She's running. By the looks of it, those belts look new. This looks like it was replaced. That line looks new. So by the looks of it, it looks like this car has been serviced a good bit. That's a good sign right there. Oh yeah, I checked the oil, and the oil is brand new. It's clear and everything. So this car is in working order. Here is how the outside is looking as of right now. It's really dirty, but this is the last time we're going to be seeing the car like this. Going to get a nice wash, and hopefully it'll be looking nice and clean. All right, the car is all pressure washed and soaped up. Now I'm just going to go with sponge, wipe all the soap off, wash it off, and then we'll have a nice clean car. Here's the car after washing it. Looks so much better. Nice and clean. This thing even got Continentals on it. You can see right there. It's upside down. Continental tires, which are very good. Overall, it looks clean, but under the hood, we still have this very dirty engine bay, which we need to clean. So let's get to it. And boom, there it is. The engine bay is nice and clean, nice and washed, and it looks amazing. Moving on to the interior, we can see that it's pretty dirty. I'm going to be cleaning this out. And then in the back over here, we have water, which is not good because that can lead to mold. So I'm going to be taking the back carpet out so I can dry that out. And then we'll start vacuuming and wiping everything out. I took the seats out of the car, but we have a problem. Water. Lots of water. So I'm going to get this water out of the car because it's not good, especially since there's wires right there. And then I'm going to vacuum all of this stuff up, clean everything here, clean everything here, and make it new again. Well, everybody, I've been hard at work taking apart this interior. There's that pile of parts over there. Now I'm gonna start draining this water out. Here's the tool I'm gonna be using. Just a simple little pump. This side goes in the water. This side the water comes out of. I just do that and suck the water out. So let's get to work. Interior is back in the car, and it's looking better than ever. I got it all vacuumed up, all cleaned up. No more water in the back, as you can see over here. No water over here. Still got a few things I need to work out, but overall, looking nice and good. Now I'll be buffing the front headlights because they're super faded and they need to look good. So let's get to it. I'm gonna be using this right here, 2000 grit sandpaper. We got masking tape to mask around, a bucket of water for the sandpaper, the polish, and the drill. The first thing I did was use 1000 grit sandpaper. Then I moved on to the 2000 grit sandpaper. After sanding the headlight, I moved on to the cutting polish. Finally, I used the finishing polish. Here's the car after sanding and polishing. Looks way better. I also did these bottom ones because they were also faded. So the car looks way better now. That is the end of this car flip. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.